Welcome to MiConvert. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert DGN files to RBXL format, completely free and online. Open your browser and search for DGN to RBXL MiConvert.com. Click on the first result to go straight to the converter. You are now on the DGN to RBXL converter page. The interface is clean and easy to use. Let's upload a file. Click the Choose File button. A file picker will open. Select the DGN file you want to convert, then click Open. Your file is loaded and ready. You can see the file name, size, and destination format. Click Convert now to start the conversion. The conversion is in progress. You can see the progress bar moving. This usually takes just a few seconds. Done. Your file has been successfully converted. Click Download to save the RBXL file to your computer. That's it. Visit MiConvert.com for more free conversion tools. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.